as to a reality which is now concerned of holding simultaneous elections when it comes to the cabinet clearing a one nation, one bill, one election bill to be introduced on the 16th of December. As far as now, the Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal is expected now to introduce the bill. However, when it comes to, as Pragya was pointing out, as the BJP-led NDA government at the centre decided to move forward with the one nation, one poll plan, the Union Cabinet accepting the recommendations from the high-level committee led by former President Ramnath Kovind, which has proposed that the Lok Sabha Assembly elections be held together with municipal panchayat elections following within in a phased manner. However, when it comes to, Pragya, recommending a single electoral roll or the electoral photo identity is also something that is said to be a part of the recommendations that have been made, now that we're getting to know that the bill is all likely to be introduced on Monday.
You're absolutely right, and in fact, I would say that the Election Commission was of the opinion that election to any of the Legislative Assembly cannot be conducted along with general election. If that is the case, in fact, there is a provision for that. They can go to the President and declare by the order that the election to the Legislative Assembly may be conducted later. So it's not hard and fast rule, but they would try to synchronize every election. But they have also the power lies with the president also to issue any any sort of public notification and try to synchronize these. Now, electoral roll is also one of the, because delimitation, electoral roll are two things that this bill is also focusing on and ensuring that there is one electoral roll. People will go and vote for both a parliament and assembly as well. So both the things have been taken into consideration. This is going to be deliberated upon in the parliament. For now, it is going to be introduced. And what we are hearing from our sources, that it is very likely, because there are many political parties which are against this particular bill, and they would like it to be referred to joint parliamentary committee. And government is in no hurry. Remember, government believes that there should be ample consideration, deliberation on any of important bill, because government also needs the state governments on which are ruled by the Congress and or other parties, regional parties, on board for that. But majority of the consensus has been garnered by the government. This is a big feat that it has achieved, and it is still in process of acquiring more consensus on this particular bill, so that at least the expenses and also the time that has been spent on elections.
Comprehensive and a lengthy process that the government would be undertaken to actually bring this idea into exercise and execution. What the Prime Minister has often said of talking about the governance model, as far as saying that the country continues to be virtually in a mode of constant election season, and just to avoid that, this would be, when it comes to beneficial to many sectors, to hold simultaneous elections. As Pragya was pointed out, and when it comes to the cabinet clearing the bill of one nation, one election, how it is expected now to be presented in the ongoing winter session of Parliament, there are voices already from the opposition side that has been raised against it. Let's get in a word from Mr. Udit Raj of the Congress Party, who is joining us. Good morning to you, Mr. Udit Raj. What do you make as far as when it comes to the introduction of this bill of one nation, one poll that is likely to be introduced coming Monday by the government?
We will oppose it. We are opposing it. It's against the federal structure of the Constitution. It is marched towards unitary Constitution. Our Constitution is not unitary. And it will subvert regional voices, regional aspirations, and local issues will also be relegated. And it's against the spirit of the present Constitution and march towards the dictatorship. So we are opposing it.
All right, you're opposing it as part of the Congress Party there. Thank you very much, Mr. Udit Raj, for your point of view. As we play out how the opposition have been reacting completely, because when this panel was formed on part of the former president leading it, even when it comes to opposition parties and their inputs were taken into consideration, while multiple NDA-led parties had agreed to it, while others forming the India bloc had denounced it, calling it as undemocratic and contrary to the principles of federalism. Here's how the opposition bloc has been reacting.
हम वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन के प्रस्ताव के खिलाफ हैं, क्योंकि ये गैर लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ है, गैर संवैधानिक है और ये लोग संविधान का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर जो मूल ढांचा है उसके खिलाफ है, पर लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ है। लोकतंत्र को खत्म करने वाला एक विधेयक है।
ममता बनर्जी हमारा लीडर, इसके पहले ही हमारा जो स्टैंड है वो क्लियर कर दिया था। तो इस देश में ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। वो गारंटी कौन देगा कि एक बार वोट देने से पूरा 5 इयर्स टर्म पूरा करेगा? कैसे होगा?
देखिए, ये आना चाहिए। जैसे आप उड़ीसा में देखिए, एक साथ चुनाव हुए और आपको बार बार चुनाव में जाना नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा प्रदेश में 1 नेशन 1 इलेक्शन नहीं है। अभी हमने लोकसभा चुनाव किए, दोबारा अभी विधानसभा चुनाव करना पड़ता है। और जो साल भी आप लोकसभा या विधानसभा चुनाव करते हैं, लगभग पूरा साल में कुछ डेवलपमेंट का काम नहीं होते हैं।
इससे क्योंकि पैसे का भी बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में दुरुपयोग होता था, वेस्टेज होती थी, विकास की गति रुकती थी। और विकास की गति इसलिए रुकती थी क्योंकि हर 3-4 महीने के बाद कहीं न कहीं चुनाव होते थे।